Let's make digital products like ebooks, planners, guides, tools, checklists, audits, journals, calendars. Let's make all of them in just a minute. You can use AI. It will write the content. It will design the pages. It will package it up beautifully into a book. It'll make your mock-ups, your designs, your pictures, and all those other beautiful things. It will also create your offer page. So you don't just have the thing, like this is actually one of the digital products, but we then printed it out. You don't just have the thing, you also have the ability to sell and to promote that product. If you're ready, let's head on in. So this allows you to come on in, build your digital product, then create the offer page, then create the social media that you can use to promote that product to the world. What do you need to do to create, let's say, a journal? What we were going to do is we have 4 options. We can choose to upload our own PDF, to pick a journal that's already made and published by one of our team. So any content you create, we don't have access to, no one else will use, but this is stuff that's been made by our team by request. And page by page builder. This is the easiest one, so I'm going to show you this one first. And we click that we want to build our journal by page. Let it load. And the first thing we need to do is brand it. This is when we decide what does our digital product want to look like. Then, and our sales page, because whatever colors we pick here, those are also the colors that are going to be on our emails, our ads, our sales page, all of those things. So I could choose to pick a custom color palette, or I could choose to use one of the palettes that they already have. I can go in and change it, be like, ooh, actually I like that, but I want it to be like a little darker, and maybe I don't want that bright of an orange or whatever. I can change all of those colors here. Then hit looks good next. That is the color palette I'll be using. Hit looks good next. Now I want to create a title for my product. I'm going to make one for entrepreneurs, time blocking. Yeah, let's do one for time blocking for entrepreneurs. Productivity Boost Planner. Productivity Boost for Entrepreneurs. I'm going to rename it. So I asked AI, if you missed what I did there, I clicked this little A, which has AI come in and help us create a better title. Boost for Entrepreneurs. And I want AI to give me an even better topic, an even better description for it. Okay, now I'm going to go through and pick a cover. I could also upload my own if I'm an artsy person. And instead, let's see if I can find a fun one. Oh, I kind of like that one. Or this one. Let's see. Like that one. Okay, so I'm going to go with this cover. I'm going to hit looks good next. And now I get to decide what kind of content I want to add. So because I'm making a productivity planner for entrepreneurs, I'm going to go in and let's add a welcome page. This is a page with lots of content on it. AI just wrote this page for me. All I need to do is kind of split it up so the paragraphs don't look like they're on top of each other and split it up a little bit more. I love this. Okay, so there's my content. It's made. I do want to make this a little prettier, so I'm just gonna do a couple things to make it pretty because I'm a fuss pot when it comes to making something pretty. Okay, so I just made some kind of edits to kind of make it more my feel and my brand and my design because I love to fuss with the design. Once I have it like I like it, then I can keep going in and add more pages. So I just had the Rise and Shine one. So now let's add a time blocking for the morning. Ooh, wrong one. So let's go back in here. It's calendars and schedules, and we'll time block our morning. So I'm adding a time blocking page to this. And I'm gonna say time block your morning. Okay. There it is. There's the morning time blocked. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to go in and add a couple more pages. Plan your tasks. Okay, so it made a Kanban board for me. A Kanban, like it's like a general Kanban type of page, along with like what am I going to do each day of the week? What's my big goal for each day of the week? I love that. Okay, I want to keep going though. I want to keep adding more things, although I don't like the fact that that's blue. It feels like the whole page is a lot of blue. So make that orange, okay? And we add something about like coming up with priorities. So I'm going to go up here and priority planning. Oh, I do like this one though. One, master your morning. I actually like that. I actually like this one as is. I was planning on rewriting it, but I actually like this one as is. Okay, so I made it different like styles here. Okay, so I want to make one about like priority planning your morning, but I actually really like this one. Okay, and we're tightening it up just a smidge. Okay, so there's AI wrote it. AI even designed it, and AI did a better job of guessing what the next page was going to be than I was going to guess. If I wanted to change this, so like let's say I want to rewrite this whole page, I just come on up here, change the phrase that I put into the prompt bar, and then it will rerun the whole page for me. And it will rewrite it based off of the prompt that I just gave it. If I'm like, I don't even know what I want next, can you, AI, look at what I've written so far and give me some ideas? Yeah, just click this and it will give you ideas of what you could do for your next page. So it could be a self-reflection journal. Ooh, I actually like that. Time-saving swipe file, mini challenge, huh? Okay, anyways, when I've got my page like I like it, I want you always to add an About Me page, so don't let me forget to stop building before I have the About Me page added. Every single digital product, you need to have an About Me. They need to connect to you as the product creator. So here it is. This is an About Me page. I would obviously go in and I would replace this image and I would put my own face here. I could also go to AI and ask AI to come up with an image for me, which is the one it gave me, a default image of a girl there. And then again, this is where we're going to ask people to take action. Let's get on a call. Get on a call and see if I can help you find clarity, find 2 missing hours a day. And then you could put your email address in. Okay, so once I have my product, I like it, it looks good, my digital product is made for me, I hit publish. I'm not done though. It's not enough to make the product. We also have to hook up all the tech, which means we're going to create our website or offer page to promote the product that we just made. So I just made a digital product. AI went in and looked at my product that I made and said, we're going to write this sales page for your product. And there it is. It knows my About Me. I'm going to hit enter. I don't like this gray, so I'm going to go in here and change the colors. Oh, I'm going to change the colors again. I really like that bright blue. Okay. Now I'm going to go back up. Actually, I don't like that image of me, so we're going to kind of like maybe refresh it a little bit, change it up. I'm going to go in and say, okay, I like this wording, but it's not perfect. So ask AI to rewrite it. And it's going to rewrite just that section. Okay, we made it for us. So we can have a resource that we could use to streamline our own lives and our own businesses. And so and our own businesses. So I just kind of like finesse what AI gave me. Okay. Okay, so once we have this and we love it and it's great, we click looks good next. But I want to show you some of the like adaptations you can do in case you don't like the sales page and it's not what you wanted. Well, what you could do is click here and hit refresh and it gives it a whole new look. Look at that, a whole new look. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, you can hit refresh again, be like, I want a different look. Again, hit refresh, hit refresh, hit refresh. Okay, it gives you tons of different looks and layouts. You can also go over here to that little plus sign. And if you're one of those people who likes building websites by piece, you can find the part you want and you can drag and drop it in. And now you have whatever missing part that you wanted to have inside of your sales page. It's got them all here. You just drag and add it. Okay, let's say you want to change the color. Come up here, change the colors. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's say you don't want it to be a digital product. You don't want to sell this. Like you can go up here and sell it. Let's say you don't want to sell it. You don't want it to be a digital product. You want this to be a worksheet that you use as part of a 5-day challenge. Well, come on over here and change the whole funnel. So now the whole funnel says, here's the workbook to go along with our 5-day challenge. Or here's the workbook to promote our community. Here's the workbook to sell our book or our event or an affiliate product. It's a bonus for an affiliate product. Okay, come on in here. I'm going to do the short lead magnet ones just to see what it looks like. And you can see AI is rewriting the entire sales page right now. Okay, now it gave a lot of words there, so I'm going to kind of like tighten it up. I love the look of this one, but I don't love all the words there. So let's tighten it up. Okay, and I don't like the dark color, so let's make it a little brighter. Okay, and I think we're done. I think we're good. So separate this, call that my win, and yeah, looks good next. So I'm ready, hit looks good next. That's my lead magnet. Here's the delivery page. Okay, it already sets them up for the delivery page. I want to have the call to action though. Get on a call. Let me help you. So I'm going to put a call to action onto the sales page, but everything else is done. I don't have to do anything else on this one. There it is. Okay, click that, click here and get scheduled. Okay, now this one needs to have a link because all of the links on the delivery page automatically deliver the handout that we just made. So you don't have to like set up that link. If you want the links to go to something that's not the handout, then you need to go in, click on the link, tell it, hey, I want it to go not to the next step, which is here's your PDF. I want to actually change it. And I'm going to have this go to mycalendar.com. Okay. And then I hit apply. And now, whoops, HTTPS. Okay. Mycalendar.com. And, oh, there we go. Type it the right way. Now it's updated. Okay, so when you click on the things, you want to make sure that you're driving the traffic to what you want it to go to. That's the only thing on these sales pages that I want to make sure you guys get clear. Make sure you update the links if you do not want them to go to the next step. Everything automatically defaults to go to the next step. So when we're done, we click looks good next. It writes our metadata. We have to add our pixel, and if we have an affiliate program, we want to add our affiliate program ID. Hit looks good next. If you've been doing this with me, guys, it's only been like 10 minutes that we've been building this. 10 minutes, and you've seen me in real time build a product from nothing to 5-something pages, the website made, it all hooked up, it's live, and hot diggity dog, there is the email and it's written for you. Now, sometimes AI fails. Like notice here it says product name. AI failed. So productivity. Okay, AI failed, and so I had to update that one section. But notice the rest of it is done. It's ready. It's waiting for me. It's all here. It's signed by me. Everything is here. I can edit anything I want to and then hit publish. My website is now live. Check this out. I'm going to click as if I'm a buyer or a user, and I'm going to sign up for the goodies. There it is. I'm going to click through. There's the workbook we just made together in real time. I'm also going to go up here and open up my email. This is my email. Do not look at the number of unread I have. And there it is. This is the actual freebie, the email that we signed up for and we sent. And again, it sends the workbook to the user. When I come back in, I can go up here and see the list. So now my digital product is instantly ready for me to begin driving traffic and growing my list and growing my buyers and growing my sales and growing ultimately my business. So there it is, guys, right up here. AI just built this for me. AI put the tag on. AI made the workflow. AI made the pipeline. All I have to do is connect my list to where I want to drive that traffic to. So if I want to drive that traffic, the list, the people that I collected, so that they can have follow-up sequences to say lead connector. There it is. Click use this workflow. Let's say I want to send them to MailChimp so I can follow up with them over MailChimp. Awesome. Click right there. Use this workflow. Let's say I want to send them to Keep. Okay. There it is. And use the workflow. I clicked, sorry. Okay, I have to log in for it, and then I just click and use it. It's a one-step system. Okay, so we have all of this ready here for you. In addition to that, if you're someone who makes digital products for other people, you can come on in here, you can make the digital product, you can click these three little dots right there and click share this product. This just put the product into a link that you can share and give it to others. So you can give this to your clients and they can now have the website ready and waiting for them. You can now sell these websites, these products to other people. So you are now the agency making them for others.